On the contrary, Islam considers our society a unit. It does not allow an individual to carry out an action that damages the social structure that is confined apparently to her personally. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. والصلاة والسلام على نبيه محمد سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. May praise be to Allah, the King of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon His Prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Honorable President, respected teachers, guests, dear audience, and dear brothers, today I will speak something on the concept of hijab in Islam. May Allah enable me to fulfill this duty. Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَقَرْنَ فِي بُيُوتِكُنَّ وَلَا تَبَرَّجْنَ تَبَرُّجَ الْجَاهِلِيَّةِ الْأُولَى. Remain in your homes and don't display your beauty as it used to be displayed in the days of earlier ignorance. Hijab in Islam is well connected with that of marriage and Islamic family system. The West considers the society a group of individuals free to indulge in any activity that involves them personally. On the contrary, Islam considers our society a unit. It does not allow an individual to carry out an action that damages the social structure that is confined apparently to her personally. Dear audience, it is unlawful for both men and women to open these parts before any person other than their spouses. Women have been prohibited to go out and walk about without any obvious reason. If they go outside, they have to fulfill the condition of parda or hijab. The Holy Quran says, يا أيها النبي قل لأزواجك وبناتك ونساء المؤمنين يدنين عليهن من جلابيبهن ذلك أدنى أن يعرفن فلا يؤذين وكان الله غفورا رحيما. O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the women of the believers that they should draw down their shawls over them. That will make it more likely that they are recognized hands not least. At another place Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَقُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنَاتِ يَغْضُضْنَ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِنَّ وَيَحْفَظْنَ فُرُوجَهُنَّ وَلَا يُبْدِينَ زِينَتَهُنَّ إِلَّا مَا ظَهَرَ مِنْهَا وَلْيَضْرِبْنَ بِخُمُرِهِنَّ عَلَى جُيُوبِهِنَّ ولا يبدين زينتهن إلا لبعولتهن أو آبائهن أو آباء بعولتهن